Good morning, dear children. Welcome to SST class. Today, we are going to start a new topic, that is natural disasters. So, let us begin the class. Nature sustains life on earth, but it can also cause destruction. Forces of nature that cause destruction of life and property on earth are called natural disasters. So, we all should understand that life is possible on earth because of the balance in the nature. But nature sometimes, instead of providing life, also cause destructions. So there are some certain phenomena in nature that cause destruction, or you can say damage, to life and property on the earth. And these phenomena or forces are known as natural disasters. Natural means provided by nature, and disasters are damages. So all the things which are natural and cause destruction are known as natural disasters. For example, floods, drought, earthquake, cyclone, volcanic eruption, landslide, tsunami. So today we are going to study about floods. Floods occur when a river or a stream overflows its banks and the water spreads to the surrounding areas. So basically, when there's a lot of water and a river cannot contain it and it starts overflowing, that is known as flood. Floods generally occur when there is very heavy rainfall. Floods are also caused by collapse of dams. That means when dams broke down, when rivers are blocked, basically due to landslides. That means when the mountains slides or the land slides, they break and then slips to others areas, move to other area. Sometimes they block rivers. So when the river's flow is blocked, water starts flowing out of the banks of the river. Floods are also caused by cyclones, tsunamis, and sometimes when on the mountains suddenly snow starts melting. These days, in the present scenario, due to global warming and pollution, the snow on the mountains has started melting very speedily. So that is because of that floods are caused. Floods cause damage to life, property and crops. It gives rise to many diseases like cholera, malaria and dengue. These diseases spread very speedily due to flood. In India, floods are very common in the northern plains. Now the question arises, how can we prepare for the floods in the basic ways? So some of the ways to in which we can prepare ourselves and our surroundings for flood have been listed here. That is, listening to radio or watching television for warning and advices. So whenever there is a continuous heavy rainfall, we should always be updated with TV, social networks, radios, so that if any warning or advice from the government or any of the authorities is there, we should keep a watch on that. We should always keep a radio, torch, matchboxes and candles ready with us, so that in times of emergency and need they can be used. If a condition of flood arises, we should stock food and fresh water. We should always keep first aid kit ready. Also, we should draw up a list of emergency numbers in case we require them. When there's a lot of water rising in our neighborhood or surrounding, we should switch off and unplug all the electrical appliances. That means the electrical machines in our houses like fridge, ACs, coolers, mixers, grinders, or any other appliance which we use at home. We should switch them off and we should take the plug out of the electric socket. So in this way, we can prepare ourselves for the flood. Trees should be planted as they prevent flood water from spreading fast. Also, special dams can be built to check the speed of water. So we can plant trees so that the tree's roots will absorb water, and also special dams, strong dams should be built so that these fast speed of flowing water should be checked there itself. So that's all we are covering here in this video. In the next video, we will study about more natural disasters. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.